NEET 2025 qualification code super easy explanation. If you are applying for NEET 2025, you must select the correct qualification code. Based on your education level, don't worry, I will explain each code in the easiest way possible. So even a first standard student can understand. NEET qualifying code 1, you are in 12th class now, 2025 appearing. Who should choose this? If you are still studying in 12th class and will give board exam in 2025. Examples, you are currently in school studying physics, chemistry, biology and English. You have not yet passed your 12th exams. Important, you are provisionally eligible for NEET. You must pass your 12th board exam with the required marks before NEET counseling starts. NEET qualifying code 2, you finished 12th class. Who should choose this? If you have already passed 12th from a recognized board in India. Your subject in 12th must include physics, chemistry, biology and English. Examples, you completed 12th class in 2024, 2023 or earlier. You did not take admission in any other course after 12th. Important, this is the most commonly used code for NEET students. Minimum marks required in 12, 50% for general category, 40% for SC, ST, OBC, 45% for PWD person with disabilities. NEET qualifying code 3, you passed intermediate pre-degree in science. Who should choose this? If you passed an intermediate pre-degree exam in science from a recognized Indian university board, your exam must include physics, chemistry, biology and English. Example, instead of regular 12th board exam, you completed special science course that is equal to 12th class. Important, this code is for student who completed a different type of pre-degree course instead of standard 12th. NEET qualifying code 4, you passed a pre-medical or pre-professional exam. Who should choose this? If you completed a pre-professional or pre-medical exam after 12th class, your course must include physics, chemistry, biology and English with practical exams. Examples, after passing 12th, you joined a pre-medical, pre-professional program but did not take admission in MBBS or BDS. Important, this code is rare. Most students do not need this code. Only choose this if you have taken a pre-medical course before MBBS. NEET qualifying code 5, you are studying in first year of BSc. Who should choose this? If you joined a BSc Bachelor of Science course after 12th, you are currently in the first year and your subject include physics, chemistry and biology. Examples, you passed 12th then joined BSc first year but now you want to appear for NEET. Important, if you are in second or third year of BSc, select code 6. If you did not take admission in BSc, use code 2. NEET qualifying code 6, you completed a full BSc degree. Who should choose this? If you completed your full BSc degree Bachelor of Science, you had at least 2 subjects from physics, chemistry and biology in BSc. You also passed 12th with PCB and English. Examples, you completed BSc in 2024 or earlier. You now want to apply for NEET to study MBBS, BDS. Important, only choose this if your BSc degree is fully completed. If you are still in first year of BSc, choose code 5. NEET qualifying code 7, you studied 12th outside India. You should choose this if you studied in a foreign country outside India. Your 12th grade qualification must be equal to Indian 12th board exam. Your subject must included physics, chemistry, biology and English. Examples, you completed your high school in the USA, UK, Canada, UAE, etc. You want to study MBBS in India. Important, your qualification must be equivalent to the India's 12th class. You must get verification from the Association of Indian University, AIU. Which code should you choose? Super simple chart. Your education, correct code. I am in 12th class 2025 appearing. Code 1. I passed 12th with PCB and English. Code 2. I passed intermediate free degree science. Code 3. I passed pre-medical pre-professional exam. Code 4. I am in BSc first year PCB subjects. Code 5. I completed my full BSc degree. Code 6. I studied 12th in a foreign country. Code 7. Final advice, must read. Choose your code carefully. Most students select code 1. If in code 2, if 12th is completed, check your form before submitting to avoid mistakes. If you are unsure, ask in comment or check official NEET guidelines. If you make a mistake, wait for the correction window. This is the simplest and clearest guide for NEET qualification codes. I will keep my promise. Comment below and I will definitely reply. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.